Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. Microsoft reveals security flaws in Rockwell Automation PanelView Plus. Microsoft has revealed 2 security flaws in Rockwell Automation's PanelView Plus that could be exploited by remote attackers to execute arbitrary code or trigger a denial of service. The vulnerabilities, identified as CVE 2023-2071 and CVE 2023-29464, allow unauthenticated attackers to upload malicious DLLs and send crafted buffers to the device, leading to potential information disclosure, code execution. The flaws were initially disclosed by Rockwell Automation in September and October 2023, respectively, with subsequent alerts from the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. Ghostscript vulnerability exploited in the wild. Security researchers at Codian Labs have identified a Ghostscript vulnerability that allows remote code execution through format string injection in the Uniprint device. The vulnerability has been exploited in the wild and can bypass Ghostscript's DSafer sandbox, allowing attackers to execute shell commands on the system. The toolkit is widely used for processing user-supplied files across various platforms, making it a significant concern for web applications and services, offering document conversion and preview functionalities. Cyber news number 3. Apple removes VPN apps from Russian App Store. Apple removed 25 virtual private network VPN apps, including HideMe.name VPN, LeeVPN, NordVPN, PIA VPN, Planet VPN, and Proton VPN from its Russian App Store following a request by Russia's state communications watchdog, Roskomnadzor. This move allows the Kremlin to further control internet access and content within Russian territory. The removed apps were included in Russia's Unified Register of Prohibited Resources for public distribution. LeVPN launched an alternative service called LeVPN Give, which allows users to connect to secret servers using third-party software and obfuscated connections. Cyber news number 4. Cloud Sorcerer, a sophisticated cyber espionage tool. A previously undocumented advanced persistent threat, APT group, dubbed Cloud Sorcerer, has been targeting Russian government entities by leveraging cloud services for command and control, C2, and data exfiltration. The malware uses cloud resources as its C2 servers, accessing them through APIs using authentication tokens, and also uses GitHub as its initial C2 server. It collects information about the victim machine, retrieves instructions to enumerate files and folders, execute shell commands, perform file operations, and run additional payloads. The C2 module connects to a GitHub page that acts as a dead drop resolver to fetch an encoded hex string, pointing to the actual server hosted on Microsoft Graph or Yandex Cloud. Cyber news number 5, the state of ransomware 2024. The average ransomware payment has increased by 500% in the last year, with organizations paying an average of $2 million to regain access to their systems. The rise is attributed to the increasing sophistication of cyber attacks and the shortcomings of legacy multi-factor authentication, MFA methods. Legacy MFA has been compromised in many successful ransomware attacks, making it inadequate against modern threats. Next-generation MFA solutions that incorporate biometrics, such as fingerprint and facial recognition, are needed to combat these attacks. Generative AI technologies have also enabled cybercriminals to create highly convincing phishing emails, making it essential for organizations to adopt phishing-resistant MFA solutions. Thanks for sticking with us.